Experts and legal analysts are illuminating the pointlessness of former President Donald Trump's appeal. Filing in the wake of the fraud trial decision in New York, legal experts emphasize that even if Trump's attorneys filed a notice of appeal on Monday, February 26, the appeal will not have any impact unless Trump settles the debt related to the lawsuit, according to Raw Story Judge Arthur Engoron, presided over the trial which resulted in a conviction against Trump for fabricating his income and assets in order to obtain advantageous insurance and loan terms. The award of damages was a startling $355 million, and because of interest that keeps coming in, the total now exceeds $450 million every day. MSNBC host and legal analyst Katie Yang used social media to clarify the procedural obstacles that Trump's appeal must overcome. Fang highlighted that Trump's appeal could not be filed if the necessary filing fees were not paid, highlighting the importance of financial commitments and starting the appeal process. Fang also emphasized that Trump must post a bail by the 30-day limit in order to prevent Letitia James, the Attorney General of New York, from seizing his assets. Legal experts emphasize that although Trump has the capacity to submit appeals indefinitely, main concern is whether or not he is fulfilling his financial commitments. If these are not fulfilled, the plea is essentially useless because it cannot be furthered without the necessary funding. More restrictions were placed on Trump v. Ian's decision, which forbade him from doing business in New York for 3 years and stopped state banks from lending to him. This poses a serious challenge for Trump and getting their acquired bond to move forward with the appeal. There is much conjecture as to where the bond would come from, including reliance on donors or outside organizations, considering Trump's limited financial options. In the state, the Associated Press highlighted Trump's increasing financial burden, noting that interest on the judgment sum is increasing by $112,000 with every day that goes by. This exponential expansion makes Trump's financial situation more worse and increases the necessity of paying off outstanding debt in order to support the appeal. Trump's legal team U.S. The Engoron made mistakes throughout the trial in both law and fact. Legal experts warn that Trump's legal actions are meaningless until he takes care of the appeal's financial requirements. Americans are seeing the complexities of high-stakes financial responsibility colliding with the nuances of judicial proceedings. As the story develops, the success of Trump's appeal will depend not only on the merits of his case, but also on how well he handles the financial restrictions set by the court. There is conjecture on the future consequences for Trump's corporate empire and political aspirations, since his chances of overturning the verdict seem bleak in the face of escalating legal and financial